Oh, does it get any worse? Lose your drone, drop your bike, can't get it up again. Morning. Today I'm going to head to Malin Head via Kinnagoe Bay again. This time I've got the drone with me and got the camera and the helmet to get some better footage this time of the trip that I did away last September. So it's a beautiful morning here. It's only 6 degrees, so it's going to be a nice day. I think it's going to stay dry. So see how it goes. We're just leaving 4 AM now. But for those that are interested, stay to the end and you'll see the average MPG I get. Because I keep getting asked questions, what MPG do you get from the V85 with the VCAT and the up map on the bike? So just reset the trip. I'll see when I get back home what the MPG was. So stick around and I'll see you probably when we get over to Greencastle. The ferry isn't on anymore, it's shut down for the winter, so have to go the long way around through Donegal and then down towards Greencastle. Once I get there, got a couple of got a grass track saved in the sat nav here, so we'll see if I'm able to go up it or not. It's too boggy, we'll have to turn in head quick route to Malin Head. But anyway, we'll see you later on. Bye. Oh, I forgot to mention, I've got some green lanes to do today. So this is where I'm going. I'm going out round Loch Foyle here, so I'm going all the way into Londonderry, and then all the way down that coastline across the water there to the far point, which is Greencastle. And that's where the green lanes start. So we'll see how it goes. I'll see you when I get there. Alright. This is us about to cross the Foyle Bridge. Oh, sure. Didn't realise that lane there went right all the way around. Oh well. Or I was going slow enough.
Just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
Now entering Muff.
Where will you go? Won't you miss the ones you know? I'll be here hanging on, waiting for you.
Okay, this is me now just about to come into Greencastle, and that's where we've just come from. Sort of that lower part of the big hill you see on the other side of the water, that's sort of the area I live in. So we've come all the way up and round the Foyle, and we're just about to come down into Greencastle here now. So at this point then, I'm going to attempt some green lanes that I've found on Google Earth and Gravel Maps website. I don't know how accessible they'll be. Give them a shot. It's just coming into Greencastle. This is where the ferry normally comes in. It's off for the winter. It doesn't start up until the springtime again. Just there. You've seen me do a few videos into there. Nope, here we go. To the gravel.
cry
Wow.
when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're
Right at the coast.
River's gonna cry when you're River's gonna cry.
Oh, need to put the off-road on. ABS is kicking in.
It's gonna cry, it's gonna cry. River's gonna cry when you're gone. It's gonna cry, it's gonna cry. Hey,
Spot.
I heard you want to leave this place where we grew up. This old town, just leave it all behind. River's gonna cry when you're gone.
Oh, she's getting a bit gnarly now. What's this here? About to lose the drone. He's going down. Whoop. Signal lost. Drone sunk. Oh dear. Oh well. What the fuck, Joe? Woo! All right. Whew. The day's going well so far. Right, let me get this thing lifted. Let's get the back set. Let's get the backpack off. might be too much for today. If we can get back down again. It's a bit wet. So we'll get this thing lifted. See, she's absolutely on the ground there. Right. We do have signal. Full tank of petrol is not helping either. Think. Oh, does it get any worse? Lose your drone, drop your bike, can't get it up again. Thanks again. Whew. Away down. Lovely.
Okay, this is probably it for this one. It's turned out slightly different to what I had intended, but hey ho, it is what it is. Even though what happened, I still went home with a smile on my face, as I do every time I ride my bike. It's always a joyful thing to do. So until next time, a good one. I'll see you then. Bye bye.